Spain's rolling green hills are home to one of the world's richest agricultural treasures. Stretching across more than 1 million hectares, Spanish vineyards are a living symbol of deep tradition, skilled labor, and regional pride. The country is not only the largest grape cultivator in the world, but also a powerhouse in the production of fine wines that hold their own in every global market. From the sunlit valleys of La Rioja to the expansive plains of Priorat, entire communities dedicate their lives to tending vineyards that have been cultivated for generations. During the harvest season, the atmosphere is thick with anticipation. Trained farmers move slowly and carefully through the dense green vines, inspecting each grape cluster with a sharp and experienced eye. Ripeness, color, plumpness, every detail matters. Clusters that meet the farm's strict quality criteria are gently cut by hand and lowered into padded baskets. The process demands care and precision. These grapes are not treated as mere produce. They're seen as the beginning of something much greater. Even the way they are handled is designed to preserve the delicate flavor notes that will eventually define the wine. Immediately after harvest, the grapes are transported via conveyor systems to nearby processing facilities. These systems can handle thousands of liters of grapes per hour, streamlining the post-harvest workload while minimizing bruising or premature fermentation. In the holding tanks, the grapes begin their transformation journey. The crushing phase breaks the grape skins and releases their juice, commonly referred to as must. This must is directed through specialized piping systems that carry it into fermentation tanks. These pipes are designed to operate under low pressure, preserving the structure of the grape components and minimizing oxidation. Modern fermentation tanks, often made of stainless steel or seasoned oak, are equipped with smart sensors that monitor every part of the fermentation environment. Temperature, sugar concentration, and pH levels are tracked continuously. Adjustments are made in real time to ensure the most favorable conditions for the yeast to convert sugar into alcohol. For wines requiring longer fermentation or aging, oak tanks provide both technical function and a subtle infusion of character. In this environment, science and nature work side by side. The result is a liquid that tells a story, not just of soil and sun, but of patience, climate, and balance. Wine, for many, is not simply a beverage. It's a symbol of care, a tribute to human craft, and a reflection of time itself. In a world increasingly driven by speed and convenience, wine stands out as a celebration of slowness. The best vintages are those that resist shortcuts. They require months, sometimes years, of aging before they're considered ready. And every bottle holds a piece of the land it came from. While Spain's vineyards are a symbol of European winemaking heritage, thousands of kilometers away, another ancient food craft has been refined for over 4,000 years: soy sauce. In China, soy sauce is more than a seasoning. It is a cultural cornerstone. The process of making traditional soy sauce is slow, seasonal, and deeply methodical. It begins with selecting the finest soybeans and wheat. These ingredients are steamed, cooled, and mixed together in large containers. The mixture is then introduced to a controlled mold environment, which activates fermentation through naturally occurring microorganisms. Once the surface of the mixture shows signs of mold growth, the next phase begins. The mash is spread onto large fermentation trays, then lightly sprayed with water to encourage mold propagation. At this stage, the blend begins to take on the complex aromas that define authentic soy sauce. After several days, a carefully prepared saltwater brine is added. This brine serves multiple roles: It inhibits harmful bacteria, extracts flavor from the beans, and sets the stage for a secondary fermentation. A special enzyme powder is often added as well, helping to break down the bean proteins into amino acids, the core of soy sauce's umami flavor. Fermentation can last anywhere from several months to years. During this time, the mash matures under the combined influence of heat, humidity, time, and microbial activity. The longer the fermentation, the deeper and more layered the flavor becomes. Once the mash reaches maturity, it undergoes pressing. Artisans scoop the fermented mixture into cloth bags and use traditional wooden presses to extract the raw soy sauce. The liquid that flows out is thick, dark, and fragrant. This raw soy sauce is then allowed to settle in tanks where sediment falls and the flavor stabilizes. When it meets quality standards, the final soy sauce is bottled using modern equipment. Despite the traditional methods, bottling lines are often fully automated to meet hygiene standards for large-scale distribution. Each bottle is a reflection of tradition and innovation coexisting in harmony. Soy sauce is used in nearly every meal across East Asia. It's found in stews, stir-fries, marinades, dipping sauces, and braised dishes. More than a condiment, it is a culinary identity, a signature flavor of the region and a quiet presence in millions of kitchens. What unites these two very different crafts, Spanish winemaking and Chinese soy sauce fermentation, is a philosophy of patience and respect for nature. Whether it's the gentle handpicking of grapes or the slow aging of fermented soy mash, both processes remind us that some of the most flavorful creations in the world require time, dedication, and a deep connection to the land. In a world hungry for faster results, these crafts teach us to wait. And in that waiting, we rediscover something important, flavor rooted in tradition, stories told through technique, and nourishment that goes far beyond taste.